Herd immunity refers to indirect protection from infection to susceptible individuals when sufficiently large population proportion is immune. Herd immunity can be achieved either by vaccination or natural infection, which extends the effect of individual immunity by protecting those who cannot be immunized, including very young and immunocompromised individuals. In an unexposed population, pathogen propagates through susceptible host, while recovered individuals becomes resistant to reinfection. Herd immunity is measured as a threshold which entirely dependent upon basic reproductive number, that is R naught, which refers to average number of secondary infections caused by single infectious individual introduced in a completely susceptible population. R naught indicates how contagious the disease is. Every pathogen has their R naught values. For example, if R naught for hypothetical infection is 3, that means one diseased person infects 3 other susceptible individuals in a population. R naught value range depends on characteristics and transmission dynamics, which decides the population proportion to be vaccinated. Herd immunity threshold is proportion of immune individuals protecting susceptible hosts by breaking the chain of infection through dilution of infectious agents. If a fraction of the population is immune, then effective contact between infected and susceptible host is reduced. Herd immunity threshold is calculated by 1 minus 1 upon R naught into 100. R value for COVID-19 ranges from 2 to 6. So herd immunity for coronavirus can be achieved through natural infection, for which at least 50 to 80% of the population should be immune. As of 10th July, 12.1 million cases are confirmed worldwide, and if you calculate the number of immune individuals to attain herd immunity, we have long way to go. Usually after pathogen introduction in a population, susceptible individual number decreases, whereas immune individual proportion increases. But according to several reports, not all recovered COVID-19 patients are producing virus-neutralizing antibodies, as well as antibody titer in asymptomatic and mildly diseased individuals waning after 3 to 4 months. Considering all these factors, herd immunity achievement in COVID-19 pandemic seems difficult by natural infection. So vaccination is the reliable way to attain herd immunity against COVID-19. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.